Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best craft show supplies is probably one of the most essential investments a crafter can make, transforming a passion into a potential profit center and ensuring your beautiful creations reach their intended audience with professionalism and flair. From eye-catching display solutions that capture attention amidst bustling crowds to practical packaging that protects your artwork and branding materials that leave a lasting impression, the right supplies are the silent salespeople working tirelessly for you. Investing wisely in these tools not only elevates the perceived value of your handmade goods but also streamlines your setup and teardown process, allowing you to focus on what you do best, creating. Number 5. Ikee Design Wooden Rotating Jewelry Display Stand. Introducing our rotating wooden jewelry display. Its unique spinning design makes it more eye-catching than standard holders, perfect for showcasing your earrings and necklaces. This organizer features 16 hooks on each side, totaling 32. It's a fantastic way to spread out all your accessories, keeping them neat and tangle-free. With its plank-style design and easy assembly, this rack can be taken apart for convenient transport. It's ideal for trade shows, showcases, and craft fairs. Crafted from durable wood, this display measures 9 inches wide, 7.5 inches deep, and 16.5 inches high. It offers a sturdy and elegant way to present your items. The rich brown color complements any decor, adding a touch of warmth to your display. Please note that accessories are not included and some assembly is required. What we like. This display offers a unique rotating feature, making your items more eye-catching. It provides ample hanging space for various jewelry types. If you're looking to showcase a wide variety of earrings and necklaces in a dynamic way, this is a great choice. What people say. The product is very durable and has a great design. The functionality of the product is excellent, making it easy to use. The features included are very useful and enhance the overall experience. Number 4. SSWBasics 5-foot 4-panel folding pegboard stand. Introducing a versatile 5-foot tall, 4-panel folding pegboard stand. It's perfect for organizing and displaying your items, whether at home or in a commercial space. This display is perfect for your next art exhibit or craft fair. It offers a professional and portable solution that's incredibly easy to set up and transport. Crafted with a natural pine frame, this display ensures stability and reliability. You can count on its sturdy construction for long-term use, whether for trade shows or as a room divider. Make it uniquely yours. The paint-ready surface allows for full customization. Match it to your brand's colors or your personal style for a truly unique presentation. Get set up in minutes. It comes pre-assembled and sets up in under 10 minutes. Its lightweight, foldable design makes it incredibly easy to move and store. What we like. This option is incredibly adaptable, serving as both a display and a room divider. Its paint-ready surface allows for complete personalization to match any theme. If you need a flexible, customizable display for craft shows or a unique room divider, this is the one for you. What people say. The product is very durable and has held up well through multiple uses. The design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly with my craft show booth aesthetic. It's incredibly easy to set up and take down, saving me valuable time during busy event days. Number 3. Azar displays 701,414 WHT rotating display stand. Introducing the Azar displays 701,414 WHT rotating display stand. This 4-sided peg display carousel is designed for craft shows and retail environments. It offers a convenient and accessible way to showcase your products. This display stand measures 14 inches wide by 14 inches deep and 20 inches high, with an assembled height of 21 inches. It sits on a 12-inch diameter revolving base for easy rotation. Setting up this display is a breeze. It requires no tools, simply snap the pieces together and add your hooks and products. The revolving base ensures customers can easily access items from all sides. Its compact design makes it perfect for placement near cash wraps without taking up valuable counter space. This stand is ideal for stores, boutiques, trade shows, and more, with pegboard holes spaced 1 inch on center. Featuring 4 sides and a full 360-degree rotation, this display stand ensures your products are highly visible. Its solid white finish adds a clean and professional look to any setting. Constructed from high-impact, injection-molded styrene, this display is built to last. It's strong, durable, and easy to clean, ensuring it will look great for years to come. What we like. With 4 sides that rotate a full 360 degrees, this stand maximizes product visibility. Assembly is a breeze, requiring no tools at all. If you want to present a lot of merchandise in a compact, easily accessible, and highly visible manner, this is an excellent selection. What people say. The product is very durable and has a great design. It is easy to use and performs its function perfectly. The features are well thought out and add significant value. Number 2. 12-pack 4x3 mini chalkboard signs. Introducing our set of 12 mini chalkboard signs, perfect for any occasion. These compact signs measure 4 inches by 3 inches, offering a convenient size for various uses. Crafted from durable, waterproof, and drop-proof matte black plastic, these signs are built to last. They are designed for easy writing and erasing, allowing for repeated use. These are perfect for adding a personal touch to your weddings, parties, and other special events. Use them to label tables, display names, or mark food items. Easily label your buffet items or food stations with these charming signs. They help your guests identify dishes with clarity and style. Elevate your wedding or party table settings with these mini chalkboards. They can serve as elegant place cards, table numbers, or decorative signs. Beyond events, they are also great for bakeries, plant decorations, or any situation where a small, erasable sign is needed. Let your creativity guide you. What we like. These mini chalkboards are perfect for adding a personal touch to any event. They are durable, waterproof, and easy to write on and wipe clean. If you need small, charming signs for labeling food, seating, or decorations at weddings, parties, or markets, these are ideal. What people say. The product is very durable and has a great design. It is easy to use and performs its function perfectly. The features are well thought out and add significant value. Number 1. MyGift 3-tier vintage metal fruit stand. Introducing a stylish 3-tier metal stand with a vintage design. Its burnt wood trays add an antique charm, perfect for showcasing your items. The removable trays feature handles and an angled design for optimal product visibility. This makes it easy for customers to see everything you offer. A large chalkboard sign is included to help you highlight sales, pricing, or special messages. It ensures excellent visibility for your promotions. Ideal for your kitchen or for retail environments like grocery stores and farmers markets. Its versatile design fits perfectly anywhere. The torched wood finish on the trays provides an antique look, while the durable metal construction ensures it's built to last. It's both beautiful and functional. With approximate dimensions of 45h x 19.75w x 12d, this stand offers ample space for display without taking up too much room. What we like. This stand offers a stylish, vintage aesthetic with 3 tiers of display trays. The included chalkboard sign is perfect for displaying prices or product information. If you're aiming for an antique charm and need an attractive way to display produce, bread, or other goods, especially in a market setting, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The product is made of high-quality materials and is very durable. The design is sleek and modern, and it looks great in any setting. The functionality is excellent, with multiple features that make it easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.